government assistance in government assistance for small industries, or you can say uh, small business units. Can you tell some of them? No. Sanskar,
Yes, sir.
where is your dress?
सर मैं बाहर आया हूँ, अपनी नानी के यहाँ हूँ सर, तो जस्ट थोड़ा
For how many days?
सर फॉर 10 to 5 days.
You should have brought taken the dress also. No, it does not look nice.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, we will continue with the chapter. There are some institutions. Government institutions, and there are some government schemes for the development of small scale industries. गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स. बेटा आपको कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें. आपको स्कीम का नाम या गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम पता होना चाहिए. यू शुड नो व्हेन इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड, एंड you should know at least three main functions of the institution, or the three main uh, benefits of that scheme for the स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. बहुत सारी स्कीम्स और इंस्टीट्यूशंस इसमें दिए हुए. वेरी क्विकली आप जो है इसे पढ़िए. और नेशनल स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज कॉरपोरेशन, NSIC, DIC, डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंडस्ट्रीज सेंटर, इन दोनों के बारे में मैं आपसे पूछने वाला हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू. जस्ट रीड इट, गो थ्रू इट. सबसे पहले अंडरलाइन कीजिए कि ये कब स्टैब्लिश हुए थे. NSIC was established in 1955. NSIC was established in 1955. Why? To promote, to help, to assist the growth of small business units. Why? To assist, to help, to promote the growth of small business units, for the development of small business unit, to help them, to expand them. 1955. अब जो इसके मेन फंक्शंस दिए हुए जिसको हम बोलेंगे उसको आप टिक करते जाए, अंडरलाइन करते जाए. यू कैन लर्न ओनली दोज बिकॉज दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट वंस. नंबर 1, to develop small scale units as ancillary units to large scale industries. जो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज है उनको एंसिलरी यूनिट बनाना बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज का. एंसिलरी यूनिट मींस जो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज है वो लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए रॉ मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करना, लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए प्रिलिमिनरी उनके प्रोडक्ट्स बनाना, लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए ऑल टाइप ऑफ नेसेसरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को पूरा करना. ये इनका काम होता है एंसिलरी इंडस्ट्रीज का. नंबर 2, to provide plant and equipments to SSI on hire purchase system. हायर परचेज सिस्टम का मतलब होता है इंस्टॉलमेंट सिस्टम. तो ये जो NSIC है ये स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज को प्लांट और मशीनरी परचेज करने के लिए इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में हेल्प करता है. इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में हेल्प करता है. उसके बाद है टू हेल्प स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज इन मार्केटिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. इट ऑल्सो गिव्स असिस्टेंस to small scale industries so that they can advertise their product, they can do marketing, to procure, supply and distribute raw material. Procure का मतलब होता है to obtain. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए रॉ मटेरियल प्रोवाइड कराना, उसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कराना, ये भी एनएसआईसी का काम है. इतने पॉइंट काफी है. फॉर एवरी इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड फॉर एवरी स्कीम यू नीड टू लर्न मिनिमम 3 पॉइंट्स, दैट्स ऑल. फिर एक नीचे है DIC, डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंडस्ट्री सेंटर. हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में होते हैं ये DIC सेंटर. अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए कब स्टैब्लिश हुए हैं. दिस प्रोग्राम वाज लॉन्च्ड इन DIC. प्रोग्राम वाज लॉन्च्ड इन May 1978. It is at the district level. Prince, थोड़ा पीछे बैठिए. All other, keep your camera on. Shekhar, Vyom and Vishal, keep your camera on. नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर कैमरा किसी का बंद होगा, आई विल रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द क्लास एंड यू विल नॉट एंटर अगेन. विशाल, अंजलि, नो नीड टू टच योर फोन वंस द क्लास हैज स्टार्टेड. फोन को एक जगह स्टिल करके रख दीजिए. So this DIC, डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंडस्ट्री सेंटर, हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में होते हैं ये, एंड दे आर टू हेल्प द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, राइट, इन ऑल टाइप ऑफ देयर works, documentation works. They understand their problems. They ask for their grievances, for suggestions, right? And government की जितनी भी schemes होती है, whatever the government schemes are there, वो जो है small scale industries तक पहुंचाते हैं उन्हें. Also they provide service and support. These DICs provide service and support to these type of industries in their setting up also. उनको सेटअप करने के लिए भी स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज को विलेजेस में, टाउन्स में, बैकवर्ड एरियाज में, इन हिली एरियाज, these DICs help them in all type of administrative works. These implement state government and development projects. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जितने भी डेवलपमेंट स्कीम्स, डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स चलाती है, ये सारे उसमें हेल्प करते हैं स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज को. सो ओनली 3 पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू लर्न फॉर ईच स्कीम और इंस्टीट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट है आपकी, पहले भी आपने सुना होगा, नाबार्ड, NABARD. आपसे एग्जाम में फुल फॉर्म पूछ सकते हैं, ईयर ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट पूछ सकते हैं, लॉन्च डेट पूछ सकते हैं, और पूछेंगे व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस, 2 और 3 फंक्शंस, और व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दिस स्कीम फॉर द SSI, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. नंबर 3 है नाबार्ड. नाम से ही आपको पता चलेगा, नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. नाम में ही सब कुछ लिखा है, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. This bank provides help for agriculture. This bank provides help for agriculture and you can say development of the small scale industries. So it provides lot of infrastructural facilities also, infrastructural help also, ये आपको जो है स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए लोन्स प्रोवाइड कराते हैं, एग्रीकल्चरल लोन्स प्रोवाइड कराते हैं. व्हेन वाज इट एस्टेब्लिश्ड? इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1982. अंडरलाइन करके रखिए इन सारी चीजों को. ईयर ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट एंड व्हाट आर द मेन फंक्शंस. उसकी फुल फॉर्म क्या है? when was it established and what are the main functions of this particular any institution or scheme. Credit, they provide credit facilities to SSIs, small scale industries. They offer counseling, and consultancy services. Different counseling and consultancy programs they organize seminars, they organize meetings जहां पर जो अपने फार्मर्स हैं, राइट, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, उनको जो है नेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं सो दैट दे कैन रन देयर बिजनेस, स्मॉल बिजनेस वेल. रिहेबिलेशन स्कीम्स चलाते हैं लोगों को पुनर्स्थापित करने के लिए. when people are shifted from one place to another because of flood, because of natural calamities, when people are shifted from one place to another, तो उनको जो है रिहेबिलेट करते हैं, दोबारा से उनको होम्स, एग्रीकल्चर फैसिलिटीज, होम, ये सब प्रोवाइड करके they give them support for the life. Next is Small Industries Development Bank of India. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. SIDBI, SIDBI, SIDBI. Vyom, what is the full form? SIDBI, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. It was established in 1990. Underline कीजिए. It was established in 1990 and it provides credit facilities to small scale industries because it is a bank, indigenous bank, and it provides credit facilities small scale industries के लिए. Directly or indirectly it gives assistance for micro and small industries. Micro and small industries, क्योंकि because it is a bank, it provides loans, it provides credit facilities for purchasing agricultural equipments for expansion and growth. So it is also very simple. Next, RSBDC, Rural Small Business Development Center. आप देख रहे होंगे all these institutions or schemes, they are for the development of the progress of the small scale industries. उनको चाहे एग्रीकल्चर हेल्प प्रोवाइड करनी हो, और you have to provide them with the finance facilities, or you have to provide them with the infrastructure, relaxation in tax, communication facilities, electricity, water, roads, transport facility. All these facilities are provided by these type of institutions set up by the government, जहां पर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दोनों की स्कीम्स हेल्प करती हैं दीज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज को, सो दैट दे कैन कम अप nicely, they can give proper assistance ऑफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की जो स्कीम्स हैं उनको इस तक पहुंचाने के लिए स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के these schemes are very useful or these institutions are very handy. Next is National Commission for Enterprises in Unorganized Sector. अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर, सबसे ज्यादा इंडिया में अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में लोग जो है काम कर रहे हैं. अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर्स में सबसे ज्यादा लोग काम कर रहे हैं, विच इज द बैकबोन ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री, बैकबोन ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. सबसे ज्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट यहां पर है. पीपल गेट लॉट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन दिस सेक्टर. सो उसी की बात हो रही है कि कैसे होगा. फॉर दैट दिस वन कब सेटअप हुआ है? इन सितंबर 2004, रिसेंट सितंबर 2004 इट वाज सेटअप. सितंबर 2004 अंडरलाइन कीजिए. क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है? टू एग्जामिन द प्रॉब्लम्स फेस्ड बाय, टू एग्जामिन द प्रॉब्लम्स फेस्ड बाय small scale industries in unorganized sector. Number 2, to recommend the measures, necessary measures for the removal of such type of problems. कैसे उन प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर करना है उसके लिए सजेशंस देते हैं, रिकमेंड करते हैं. व्हाट आर द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स व्हिच कैन बी टेकन टू रिमूव दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, व्हाटएवर प्रॉब्लम्स दे आर फेसिंग. उनको मार्केटिंग में उनको टेक्निकल कोई असिस्टेंस चाहिए, उनको अपना क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज कोई चाहिए. ऑल दीज आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड बाय द NCEUS. द फुल फॉर्म इज नेशनल कमीशन फॉर एंटरप्राइजेस इन अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर. नेशनल कमीशन, नेशनल कमीशन for enterprises which is in unorganized sector, means rural areas or backward areas you can say. So Khushpreet, are you getting? Are you?
Yes, sir.
You have to side by side simultaneously underline the important date of establishment, the name, the full form, and also you have to learn at least 3 points, 3 important functions of each institution or the scheme. Then there is last one, RWED, Rural and Women Entrepreneurship Development. It is about women empowerment. It is about women empowerment. ये women से related है. Women empowerment, जिसमें कि the women are given more importance. If some women are interested in setting up their own business, this particular RWED, Rural and Women Entrepreneurship Development Institution, provides help to them. It provides help to them. That is, it creates a business environment and it helps in setting up of the environment, that is in rural areas or backward areas or hilly areas. Okay. Then number 2, providing training manuals. Training facilities also is provided by them. Training facilities is provided to all. No, many of the women are not skilled. Many of the small entrepreneurs, they are not skilled in their work. So they are given training and development programs are organized for them. Then rendering any other advisory services. Advisory services are also provided to them. Advisory services means consultancy services. If they find some difficulty in technical advancement technical training is required, it is also provided by them. So आपने देखा होगा in all of these, in all these institutions and programs, one thing is common. Who can tell me 2-3 things which are common in almost all the institutions? हम आपका नाम लेके पूछेंगे. It is for record. It is a type of class test. First of all, Ars Malik will tell me any one common thing in all. कौन सी है बताइए अर्श. ये जितने भी आपने पढ़े अभी, इसमें कोई कॉमन बात आपको नजर आई सब में?
नो सर.
कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट है या कौन सा ऐसा आपको लग रहा है कि कॉमन चीज है? सभी क्योंकि काय के लिए? ऑल आर फॉर द डेवलपमेंट पर्पस. ऑल आर फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. तो बताइए. अंशिका बताइए.
So the common thing in all is they all provide credit facilities and technical. If they anyone face technical problems, they help them, guide them, and all provide the government schemes provide.
Good, very good. Bilal, Ars Malik, listen carefully. Bilal,
The same.
what are they?
So they provide great facilities and support the government schemes which are give.
When you speak, speak loudly. Ansika Bhatia.
Sir, it works for benefit of social and economically.
Sahiba. Prince. Rotela. Principal.
So they also support. They also give financial support.
Yes, they also give financial support. Financial assistance, credit facilities, expansion and growth in setting up of the small scale industries, helping women empowerment, providing taxation facilities, relief in taxes, providing infrastructural facilities, road transport, communication, water, electricity, helping them in marketing, in advertising, in procurement of raw material. All these, financial assistance is the foremost. Then technical assistance, consultancy services, expansion and growth के लिए different training and development programs. These are the things which are provided by different financial institutions and different schemes. Last topic, problems of small business. Problems of small business. What are the problems which are faced by small business? प्रिंस बताइए फर्स्ट वाला कौन सा है? प्रिंस, रोतेला, आउट हो गए. प्रिंसिपल, not answering any. not in time also. Sanskar,
Yes, sir.
what is the first problem which is faced by small business which is in the rural areas?
The problems faced by them, sir, they don't get financial support, very high financial supports.
The first problem is of the finance. The first problem faced by small business is the finance, money. They don't have enough finance, don't have enough money to run their business. Therefore, different financial institutions are set up to assist them, to provide them credit facilities. Okay, the first problem is of the money. Second, raw material.
Lack of proper marketing.
Yeah, one by one we will discuss. Number two is raw material. Therefore, some of the financial institutions or some other institutions are there which provide them raw material, procurement of raw material in higher purchase system. सबसे पहले वाले में NSIC में वो उसे क्या करते हैं, हायर परचेज सिस्टम में इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में प्रोवाइड कराते हैं रॉ मटेरियल. Availability of raw material is done by the institution and उसके लिए जो भी चाहे फाइनेंशियल चाहिए और सम टेक्निकल हेल्प चाहिए, इट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय सच इंस्टीट्यूशंस. रेनी, नंबर थर्ड.
Sir, managerial skills.
Managerial skill means these are not very we can say trained or skilled managers in small business, in small scale industries. They lack managerial abilities, administrative qualities they do not have. They are not very qualified or competent persons there. So help is required by them. So government institutions also provide them skills, managerial skills training programs, so that they also become trained. Number fourth is marketing and also labor problem. Yes, Prince, marketing and labor problems.
Sir, social media management tools.
Anji,
Sir, lack of social media management tools.
yeah, that is same thing, managerial ability और marketing, social media management, because वो उनको जो है इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता, they are not skilled, not trained, not qualified. तो जो सोसाइटी है, सोशल मीडिया है और लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्शन है, मार्केटिंग का, एडवर्टीजमेंट का जो काम होता है इन मीडियम और लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, दे आर नॉट वेरी एक्सपर्ट एट दैट. तो ये काम भी गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस करके देते हैं उनको. देयर इज लेबर प्रॉब्लम, लॉट ऑफ लेबर प्रॉब्लम. लेबर इज नॉट रेडीली अवेलेबल, लेबर इज नॉट रेडीली अवेलेबल. उसके लिए भी गवर्नमेंट असिस्ट करती है इन्हें. दे प्रोवाइड लेबर फैसिलिटीज ऑल्सो. क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी हाई. The quality of the product is also not very high of small scale industries. Therefore, it has to be marketed properly. It has to be upgraded so that the demand, preference, likes of the customers are also satisfied. Technology upgradation is required time to time. Technology upgradation is required time to time. The technology used by these type of industries is also not very high. Not very high. Because of this, they are assisted by these type of institutions. They are assisted so that they can upgrade the technology and use the latest tools and equipments, machines to do their work easily and smoothly. There is global competition. Competition is global these days. Competition is at a very large scale. And we have to see that the small scale industries do not suffer. They do not suffer. Therefore, assistance is required for them. Assistance is required for them. And we can say that these institutions, government institutions and different schemes, they are very, very helpful for all these organizations, all these small scale industries. However, the future of small scale industries is very bright in India. Make in India scheme, Make in India programs launched by Government of India are helping them a lot, Also, Atmanirbhar Bharat, do something on your own. Very small scale industries are set up these days, or government is helping them a lot. So in India, the future of small scale industries is very good. Government is helping them in many ways. So this was all about the chapter. In this chapter, what are small scale industries, micro industries, and medium and large? Also, MSMED Act, different government institutions and schemes. And also we learned about what are the problems faced by small scale industries, what are the different assistance programs. Also we learned about what is the role or importance of small scale industries in India. So with that, the chapter is over. You can do the chapter in your notebooks, and if you have any doubt in any of the topic, you can ask in the next class. Next class tomorrow will be of accounts. We will continue with BRS. However, if you have any problem in this particular chapter also, you can ask, or in any previous chapter also, you can ask. Be on time. Those who are not joining, tell them to be serious. Many of you are fail in first term. You know very well. You are fail in the major subjects, the main subjects, and you are doing very, very poorly. Very poorly. Many of you are getting 4 marks, 5 marks out of 80. Very poor performance in accounts, especially because you are not doing numericals regularly and you are doing only few numericals. You have to do at least 80 to 100 numericals per chapter. Then only you will be able to understand the concept. Then only you will be able to understand the things. You have any doubt, you can call me, you can come to me and ask personally also. No problem in that, but do not leave anything. Whenever you have doubt, you can call me or come to me to ask your problems. You can ask in the class also, and you can ask personally also. I am available in the daytime. So complete the chapter, revise it, go through the video again, make proper notes with proper headings, no paragraph writing. If you do not do the things according to the format, you will not get marks. Those who are fail in accounts, please see that you cover the first term syllabus also and the second term also. अभी भी जब सेकंड टर्म सिलेबस चल रहा है, दिन में 1-1.5 घंटा पुराना फर्स्ट टर्म का सिलेबस कंप्लीट कीजिए, चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट कीजिए. Otherwise, in the final term, when whole book will be asked, you will not be able to do it. That time it will be too late.